Hey everybody, welcome to Bavarian. Today we are working on a 2019 X5. It's having some air conditioning issues. We did an AC service. After about 4 days, it lost roughly 20% of its charge and we detected leaking through the vents, which points to an evaporator core issue. We're moving forward with evaporator core replacement. As you can see, the dash has to come out, the steering column, center console, everything to get to that heater box. So you can take it out and then take it apart so we can change our evaporator core. New one's already in the box. This is the old one right here. And we've got some oil staining down here and up here in the center. So this was our leak source. We also, on this one, found an issue with the AC drain connection. So this boot sits at the bottom of the heater box. When you have the air conditioning on, all the moisture that accumulates in the box drains out this drain through the floor of the vehicle and outside underneath. Well, this particular car's heater box was not positioned correctly. There's actually a service bulletin for it, causing moisture on the floorboard. If you have that issue going on your car, changing this requires removing the heater box. So all this same amount of work as replacing the evaporator core. If you haven't had the evaporator core changed, but you're having this repair done, I would strongly consider changing them both together. It's just going to prevent a repeat visit for a dash removal. A lot of what we're seeing on these newer cars is related to the new refrigerant, R1234YF. The oil that's used with that particular refrigerant turns acidic very quickly, and it turns the refrigerant into hydrofluoric acid, and it starts to eat through your metal parts. So at Bavarian, we're recommending service on R1234YF systems every 2 years. We got to keep the moisture out so that we can keep the system acid free and serving you for the long run.